our stuff loaded up in the truck. It's ready to go, and we're headed to Lincoln. Yee. So we couldn't exactly fit Gromie in the truck, so we had to get him a new spot. His big ass wouldn't fit in my truck, so we had to put him somewhere. Thanks, dude.
Yeah, I'll see you there.
You ready, Keith? Yeah, bro. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
I'm Gromie Bear, dude. What's up, Greg? What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
What's your name? Trey. I'm Will. Nice to meet you. I was talking to you, right?
Yeah.
Will. Nice to meet you guys. Okay, you guys want to go inside and eat some pizza? Here, I got him. Come here, buddy. What's up, guys? What's up, dude? Hello. What's up, guys? You hungry, buddy? Graham Squad. You gotta stop with the Graham Squad, dude. No one's riding around with their f***ing Grammys. Thank you. We'll be back. Just kidding. We're not even gonna leave. All right, let's go, boys. He likes him. He likes him. I'm not talking to you. Oh, you weren't talking to me either. Let's see it, Aaron. Go ahead and do it for everyone. There you go. Yeah, well, he's so f***ing, like, he's really good at it, so. But yeah, today we're just gonna be riding around Lincoln, getting some reactions with my boy G. You watch YouTube? Check it out.
I saw your GoPro.
Oh, you did? Yeah?
I like that. Cool.
Thanks, man. Yeah, just sitting here riding with the Cookie Monster. So in every single video we've talked about how I've had some bad luck. Well, I shouldn't say every single video, but like the last like 3 videos. And literally 3 days before this meet, we had my microphone broke and I needed to get a new one. So I ordered one online because it was a little bit cheaper. It came in and I realized that it was broken. So not only did my microphone break, but the one that I bought was broken. So luckily today I went up to Dillon Brothers and got one right before this meet, so I'm able to make a video for you guys. But man, my luck could not get any worse, and I just made it worse by saying that. So, yay. You're not gonna get pulled over unless you do something stupid like that. Can't even hear my exhaust in that. Oh yeah, another thing I wanted to mention to you guys was I tried to film like a bunch of videos like all in like one day, and it turns out that was a terrible idea. I realized that the footage just was like not very good because you could just tell that I was trying to get too many videos in, and so none of those are going to be uploaded. I told you guys I was going to update you and like make 2 videos of all the updates, and the video was so bad I didn't even put it up. So a lot of the updates were just how I got the Grom, and just simple updates that I can probably explain to you guys in like a Q&A or something, but I wanted to let you guys know that that's why you didn't get a bunch of updates, if you guys even remembered. So, yeah, here he goes. Oh, Greggy. Thanks, dude.
Oh, yeah, bud. Okay, man.
You too. You got the sickest backpack of all.
Oh, dude, no. I didn't notice the bear with one backpack.
Oh there, whoa there. I know you like Gromie, but you gotta put that phone down there. What a bitch. Relax, G. Imagine if we could travel with Gromie and just take him to any street that we wanted. Get your leg up here, boy. She likes you, buddy. Will you quit it with your Gram Squad?
Gram Squad!
We're not, there's no Grammies riding with us. No, no. Gaddy.
Like it?
Yeah. See berries? I like bears. Keith, I'm telling you right now, if I had 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna get a tattoo of a bear.
Alright, I'm gonna hold it to her, guys.
Oh God, I shouldn't have said that. Will you stop with your Grammys? No, it's not Gram Squad. Yeet. Oh, I think we're good. You're good. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. Yep, and I jinxed it. My lever's a little bent, but everything else looks pretty good. Well, at least I caught it on camera. That got a little scratched up. Honestly, it didn't take any like real bad damage, so everybody likes EG. Yeah, no kidding. Dang, now that's a real biker gang. Gotta get another one. Yeah, I don't think that's where you turn. Dude, where is he going? It's kind of cool. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. No, you're good. Yeah, I know. Everything on the bike looks good, man. God damn it, Keith. I'm gonna have to put a grandma in my videos every time. Yeah, Gram Squad.
20 minutes later.
Gram Squad. God damn it, Keith. Honestly, the most damage was this and right here. I mean, it's disappointing, but I mean, I really can't do anything about it, so I'm just not gonna let it bother me. Yeah.
What? Is that a teddy bear?
Where? You? Mother? Uh-oh. You know what that means. I have no idea.
At least you checked before something better happened.
Yeah. God damn it.
We missed some footage bears. We'll get more.
But they were so hot.
I know, dude. They look freaking beautiful. I should have stopped the different. Gromie Bear car. Damn it!
Damn it!
That's your
Keith!
Keith! God!
It was so awesome because she got out of her car,
No.
she took her bra off.
Are you serious?
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No,
Yes! No, I'm just kidding.
Oh,
I was gonna make up this whole story and I was like, well, I already got to the bra off, so there's not really much you can do after that. Remember it. That is a big ass bee.
I love ass bees. Oh, what the hell?
You good?
I hit my kill switch or something. I leaned forward and like slapped my kill switch.
Noob!
Shut my
Noob! You know what, Keith? Stop it with your gram spot. Because I dab. That's probably the...
Here we go, here we go. Watch this.
No, he was just laughing really hard. He didn't give us a good dab, though.
I did.
No, he didn't give us a good dab. You gave him an amazing dab.
No, right here. I got it.
Yo! Woo! We got way too excited about that, dude.
Alright, this guy right here. Slow down.
No reaction.
Alright, here we go.
I'm gonna do an outro in case my video dies or my GoPro dies. If you like the video, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Peace. Yep. But if you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And as always, I'll see you boys in the next one. That was good. I made my gonads hard. Oh, that's... Now I have an ending clip.
Gromie after the ride.
Graham Squad.
Graham Squad.